If you are a creator, influencer, freelancer, or online entrepreneurs, you have probably faced a common problem. You have multiple links to share, such as your social media profiles, products, courses, newsletters, affiliate offers, or a website. But most platforms only allow one link in your bio. That's exactly the problem Beacons AI aims to solve. However, Beacons is no longer just a simple link in bio tool. It has evolved into a complete creator platform with monetization, marketing, and AI-powered features. But is it worth using? In this video, we will take an honest look at Beacon's AI, its features, pricing, pros, cons, and final verdict. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you discover the best tools for growing online. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description to get special offers on Beacon's AI. By using the description link, any available discount or promotion will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. Let's start with what Beacon's AI actually is. At its core, Beacon's AI is a creator platform that helps users to build personalized link pages where followers can access everything from one location. Instead of sharing multiple links across different platforms, you can create a single page that contains all of your important content, products, services, and offers. Setting up a Beacons page is quite simple. After creating an account, you can choose a design, customize your portfolio, you can add links, and publish your page within minutes. This makes it beginner friendly even for the users with no technical experience. One of the biggest reasons Beacons has become popular is the range of tools it includes beyond link management. Many traditional link in bio platforms focuses only on organizing links. Beacons takes a broader approach by helping creators to grow and monetize their audience. For example, creators can sell digital products directly through their Beacons page. If you have ebooks, templates, guides, courses, or downloadable resources, you can showcase and sell them without needing a separate website. Another useful feature is email marketing and email collection. Building an audience on social media is valuable, but owning your audience through the email is even more important. Beacons allows creators to collect email addresses and build subscriber list directly from their profile page. The platform also includes audience analytics. These insights help creators understand which links are receiving the most clicks, where visitors are coming from, and how followers interact with their content. This information can help to improve marketing decisions. This information can help improve marketing decisions over time. Now let's talk about the AI feature. Beacons has introduced several AI-powered tools designed to help creators work more efficiently. Depending on the available features, creators can use AI assistants for content-related tasks, audience engagement, and profile optimization. The goal is to help creators spend less time to repetitive work and more time creating content. Another strength of Beacons is customization. Users can personalize colors, layouts, branding elements, and sections to match their personal brand. This helps pages feel more professional and unique rather than looking like generic link directories. When it comes to pricing, Beacons offers a free plan that works well for many beginners. This allows new creators to start building their online presence without spending money upfront. As your audience grows, paid plans unlock additional features, customization options, analytics, and monetization tools. Now let's talk about the limitation. While Beacons offer many useful features, some advanced tools are only available on a higher tier of plans. Users looking for the extensive customization or advanced business functionality that may eventually need a dedicated website alongside their Beacons page. It is also important to remember that Beacons is primarily designed for creators. While businesses can certainly use it, some organizations may prefer more traditional website builders if they need a full business website experience. So, what is the final verdict? If you are a content creator, influencer, coach, freelancer, affiliate marketer, or online entrepreneur, Beacons AI offers much more than a typical link in bio solution. It combines audience building, monetization, analytics, customization, and AI powered tools into a single platform. For beginners, the free plan makes it easy to get started. For growing creators, The additional features can help turn a simple profile page into a powerful business hub. That brings us to the end of this video. Hopefully this video helped you to understand what Beacon's AI offers and whether it is the right platform for your creator business. Thank you so much for watching Easy Access Tech. If this video was helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe this channel, check the description link for any available Beacon's AI offers, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.